Hi, good evening. This is Scott at Scott Trades on Twitter with StockMarketMentor.com and your chart of the day. As you know, the S&P is still in a pretty strong downtrend under all the major moving averages and making a new low here today. And that's really all you need to know about the market. The market is continually making lower lows. And so until that changes, it's probably not a great time to get too aggressive in trading just generally. Now, that said, there are some stocks that are working pretty good. In fact, one was getting a bunch of chatter in the forum over at stockmarketmentor.com, and that is GO Grocery Outlet. And if I zoom out here, you can see Grocery Outlet is hitting 52-week highs when the overall market is near the lows. Now, there's a few dynamics probably in play with this. I mean, the fact that everyone still needs toilet paper helps, and food, that helps. But one thing that I noticed when I was doing a scan on MarketSmith, I'll bring in the MarketSmith chart. By the way, I have a hidden strength scan, which is a scan that just looks for strong stocks in a weak market. And this is the only stock that came up. Believe it or not. And so one thing that I did notice is the fact that if you look over here, there's a bunch of short interest. 8.2 days of short interest still on Grocery Outlet. And so while this move is extended here above the 8-day exponential period moving average, I think that if this makes a new high, you're going to see more shorts cover and potentially squeeze this stock up. So keep an eye on this. I ideally would like to buy it closer to the 8-day exponential period moving average, or maybe a pullback to the 21-day where it's, in recent history found support. But keep an eye on Grocery Outlet. 8 days of short interest in a bad market. Could see this one squeezing to new highs soon. So I hope that video was helpful. Stay safe in the market, and remember, it's better to be on the sidelines wishing you were in than in the market wishing you were out. We'll see you soon.